Hello, DeepSound. Guide to conventional UT setup calibration. Click the top right menu to enter calibration mode. To calibrate the material velocity, select velocity. The measurement gate is now activated. Sequence Ref I, Ref B velocity, calibrate and finish. Sample thickness for calibration is 10 mm. To optimize the measurement range, adjust the depth range to 50 mm. Return to the velocity menu after adjustment. Move the gate to the 0.5 and 1.0 skip echoes. Set the gain sensitivity after positioning. Use auto gain for quick and precise setup. Go to velocity and set ref according to thickness. Enter the reference values for A and B. Check the interval value between A and B. Results: A as 20.7 mm, B is 30.2 mm. Click Calibrate to execute the calibration. Values update as the signal shifts. A 10 mm difference between gate A and B confirmed. Calibration completed successfully. Next, performing wedge delay calibration. Selecting wedge delay activates only gate A. This process calibrates based on a single signal. Enter the reference value for the thickness. Click Apply to complete the calibration. Verify the accuracy using the gate. Review overall results and proceed to the next step. Move to the DSC menu. DSC marks positions for each individual step. Step 1 sets the gate's movement interval. Click Apply once the setup is complete. A marker appears at the first step. Click Next Step to move forward. Click Apply to activate the marker. Repeat for the required number of steps. Thanks for your watching.